Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Lockdown Gardening. I hope you had an enjoyable Easter. I certainly did. Unfortunately, our regular host, Mr. Callan, can't be with us this week, but I'm an able deputy, hopefully, another Neil Smithson. And what a glorious day down here in Whitstable. Certainly the outer part of the garden does need watering. It was pissing it down yesterday, but a beautiful sunny day today, and join me in having a look around the garden. Yeah, there's some plants over there, and definitely some plants over there as well. So all around us there are plants, and what I'm going to show you today is how to water plants in the greenhouse. A little tip or trick that I can show you that I've developed over the years. What we've got here, we've got a greenhouse full of plants. They're looking good, they're looking well, but what I'm going to do is use this device. It's called a watering can. It's a watering can. I'll show you a little tip. So some people just get a load of water and just throw it at the greenhouse, but what this does, this enables you to water onto the plants directly. So let's have a look, let's have a go. There we go, looking very healthy, these plants. These are commonly known as weeds. There's lots of weeds in here, but you never know, there might be some goodies amongst all the weeds. So I'll carry on with the watering, and I'll sign off now. All is well here in sunny Whitstable. Thank you. Please subscribe or like. I'm hoping to get up to 2 likes this month. Bye bye for now.